In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up a Spike issue type in Jira, so your team can track research and exploration work separately from regular tasks. First, let's get you signed into your Jira account. Once you're in, take a look at your dashboard and decide which project needs the Spike issue type added to it. You'll find project settings down here in the bottom left corner. Go ahead and click that. Now we need to navigate to the Issue Types section, where we can customize what types of work items are available in this project. Here you can see all your current issue types. Let's add a new one by clicking this Add Issue Type button. Since Spike isn't a default option, we'll need to create a custom issue type from scratch. Give your new issue type a name, like Spike. Then customize the icon to make it easily recognizable, and hit Create when you're ready. Perfect! Your Spike issue type is now available in this project, and you can start using it to track exploratory work and research tasks. That's all there is to it. You're all set to start creating Spike issues in your project.